Visual Studio is a rich, integrated development environment for creating stunning applications for Windows, Android, and iOS, as well as modern web applications and cloud services. Visual Studio has tools and services for projects of any size or complexity. It can be used to develop applications that can run on any platform. Visual Studio 2015 Community Edition is free to download, whereas Professional and Enterprise editions can either be purchased or can be subscribed with monthly rentals. We recommend not to have internet connected while installing Visual Studio 2015. It can take a long time downloading updates which may not be required at this time in Visual Studio. They can be added later. Double-click the installer file vs Community. It will return an error for not having internet connected while installation. Ignore and just continue to install. Select typical option. We can add tools later if required.
Visual Studio is an official IDE for Microsoft .NET development technology. It allows us to comfortably develop, integrate and test run applications of various categories like web, desktop and mobile. It installs several components and it takes time depending on the operating system and available hardware resources. Setup is now complete and Visual Studio is installed on our machine. We can launch the IDE to open it for the first time.
Signing into Visual Studio Online is optional at this time, but later we will have to do it with the help of an Outlook account preferably. Select development settings as web development and a color scheme of your choice. We can either take a new project like ASP.NET application, WCF service, cloud application, iPhone app or an Android app. We can also take a new website option to develop a server-side project using ASP.NET technology. ASP.NET is the leading application development technology of Microsoft.NET. This is how we can create a new empty ASP.NET project in Visual Studio. ASP.NET project can be developed using either C# or VB.NET languages with mostly a SQL Server database. Visual Studio plays an important role in the development of high-quality and highly interactive applications in minimum efforts and time. This video is brought to you by SohamGlobal Media Services. Technology is power, technology is future.